The expression of the imagination through human creative skill, conveyed through a visual format, is the concept of art. So come, take the journey with me to an institution that puts its heart into the arts.
You are at our summer school under the theme Tonya and Make Fashion.
This theme translates into how you can use what you possess to make something new and creative, a skill the students will learn here at this Edna Manley summer.
So we have 3 aspects of our summer school for our children between the ages 4 and 11 years old, and that's our Kaleidoscope program. That's an integrated arts program where the children are exposed to music, dance, drama, and the visual arts. We have our Art Scope for our teenagers, and this is where our children kind of specialize in an area, so they are exposed to either visual arts, drama, music, or dance.
But little did they know that one lithography will change their world.
This year in visual arts, they have 3 tracks. So they either focus on drawing and painting, or they do ceramics and sculpting, or they do fashion design and jewelry making.
All the artistry seen in this summer program illustrate the Jamaican proverb, Tonya hand make fashion, at the same time exposing students to their culture and the colorful folk forms.
John Kuno. So you will notice that all throughout the areas they are using the John Kuno motif to explore content. The art is academic as well as creative, and we want the children to explore all the areas that they can. The creative industry is really booming, and we want to play our part as the first and only of its kind, the institution, Edna Manley, in pushing out the youngsters for the creative industry. And so we're excited that this year, though we took a break for 2 years in terms of our summer school, that this year we have been able to engage them again face to face.
And here's what the students have to say about that.
In the beginning, it was a bit iffy. We weren't really sure of what was going on, but along the way, we got to be introduced to many different things and many different opportunities.
I've learned a lot. I've explored my fashion sense. I didn't know that I could be so creative. I really enjoyed it. So we used the light box for helping us to draw the illustrations, as well as making sure that our proportions were right. We used regular paper to come up with our ideas. We used color swatches, so we kept our color scheme the same throughout the whole process. I've enjoyed the whole entire process of learning how to come up with the ideas and making my design.
Our registration for summer school is open May 1 each year. All the transactions are able to be done online, and you don't even have to come in. We have a parents meeting, we talk them through the entire process, we go through the handbooks, what they can expect, and they also share with us things that they would like, and so we help to work together to make it happen.
And if you should miss Edna Manley's summer in Kingston, not to worry, you might find them in your neck of the woods.
We are working on taking Edna out of Kingston into our parishes.
Every child can join in this creative experience. If you should hear a voice within you say you're not creative, start to create, and that voice will surely fade. To learn more about how your child can participate in these programs, you can visit their website at www.emc.edu.jm and their social media pages at Edna Manley College.